Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and securing a backup unlock method because enrollment requires a fallback. Open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, and tap Add Fingerprint now. You must confirm your PIN or pattern. Once done, clean the sensor and dry your finger to improve recognition. Make sure the screen stays awake and the device is steady. This prevents registration errors. You are now ready to place your finger on the sensor for the initial capture, which starts the actual registration process. You proceed by following the on-screen prompts carefully because the system needs varied impressions to be reliable. Place your finger, lift slightly, and place different parts of the pad, edges, tip, and center, so the sensor records a complete map. Once done with the main finger, add at least one thumb or alternate finger while angles remain fresh. This reduces false rejects. Make sure to vary pressure lightly. Consistent but not forceful placement helps the algorithm learn the fingerprint texture and ridges effectively. You finish by enabling fingerprint unlock for the lock screen and any supported apps, because permissions must be active for daily use. Lock the device and test unlocking several times, using both the enrolled finger and any alternates to verify consistency. If recognition is inconsistent, re-enroll the same finger or remove and register it again while varying angles. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, clean the sensor and your finger. Then update the device software before re-enrolling to rule out firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.